welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I am going to be making a fall swag, but I'm going to use this little bamboo wreath as my base. Now it is only a 12-inch one. It is also from Dollar Tree. I picked up this beautiful sunflower from Dollar Tree, and it also comes in yellow and orange, and it just clips on. Then I picked up some pretty fall florals from Dollar Tree. This one just says bouquet. Isn't that pretty? So I picked up two of these, and notice they have a little pumpkin, a little pine cone, and some other things. So that's such a great deal for only $1. And then I got two of the pumpkin filler, and it looks like I have one of each color, but that's okay. It will still work. And then I have two of the maple leaves. And I just love this new color, or at least this is a new color to me for fall. I've never seen them in this kind of light, off creamy white, peachy color. So you'll have to let me know if this is new or not, or just something I'm just now noticing. And then you're also going to need some ribbon to make a bow. So this swag is going to cost less than $10 to make. So just in case you want to go out and get the exact same flowers, I'm just going to scan over the tags one more time. Two maple leaves, two pumpkin filler, two of the bouquet with a white sunflower in it, one of the sunflower clip, one of the 12-inch bamboo wreath, and some ribbon for a bow. You will also need some zip ties to get started. And you can make this for any season or holiday. I'm just getting excited about fall since Dollar Tree has started putting out their fall floral picks. So you can make this for spring, summer, fall, winter, Christmas. So I'm just giving you some ideas here. So let's get started. I forgot to mention that you are going to need some 10-inch deco mesh. Now you're not going to need very much of it, about 36 inches is all. So I had this left over from when I did a fall yardstick door swag. So this is some I had left over. So if you haven't seen the fall yardstick door swag tutorial, I'll link that one in the description box below for you because it turned out really pretty and it's really super easy to make. So you're going to first start out with your 10-inch mesh and just cut it at 36 inches. And then you're just going to take it and you're going to fold it so that it meets in the middle, and you'll want it to overlap just a little bit. It's going to try to curl up a little bit, but that's okay. Okay, so see how it looks? And then you're just going to take it and just kind of scrunch it together right in the middle to make like a bow tie. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to start making our floral swag. So first I'm going to start with my pumpkin filler. I'm going to place one on the left, one on the right. Keep holding in the center. Okay, next I'm going with my beautiful maple leaves. I'm going to put one on the left, or my left, and one on my right, just overlapping the stems. Then last I have the bouquet of flowers with the beautiful sunflowers. Same steps. One on the left, one on the right. Now we'll fluff our flowers in just a minute. So this is what it looks like so far. Now you're going to need a zip tie, and you're just going to take your zip tie, wrap it nice and tight around your little swag. Pull it nice and tight. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like right now. Okay, so now we're just going to start shaping our flowers. You'll want to spread out those fall maple leaves because you don't want it to look like just a square. And just be careful when you're shaping them. I'll pause the camera and I'll come back when I get it all fluffed. Okay guys, so this is how it looks once you get your flowers fluffed. Now you could, if you want yours a little fuller, you could add another one of these sunflower bouquet picks if you have it, because I think they're so pretty. And I think it would be beautiful if I had, you know, one more for each side. But I think it's still gonna work out pretty because we have this beautiful clip-on flower, and then next we're going to tie a bow. I picked up this ribbon last year after fall. It was on clearance, I don't know, 75 or 80% off at Michael's, and I thought it had wire in it, but it does not. But I still just like it because I like its, you know, just kind of rustic looking farmhouse look. And I'm sorry guys if y'all hear my dryer going. I thought I turned it on, then I went to get the clothes out to fold them and they were still wet, so I'd forgotten to turn it on. So I'm sorry if you hear my dryer in the background. But let's tie a bow. So we're gonna let out a tail. I usually let out about a 7 or 8 inch tail. Now we're going to make a loop. Keep it pinched tightly in your left hand. Go to the opposite side. Try to make another loop about the same size as your first loop. Go back to your first side. Try to make a loop about the same size. Check to make sure that they're pretty close. Then go back to the other side and make another loop. I'm just doing a double bow. Then let out a tail. Now remember, this does not have wire in it, so my loops will not stand up. So I'm taking some 20 gauge floral wire, just wrapping it tightly around the center of my bow. Now I'm going to take the wires that are on my bow and I'm going to go to the center of my swag and I'm going to attach my bow. Just wrap those wires around the little swag, then go to the back and give the wires a few twists. Do not cut your wires short because we're going to take those wires and we're going to grab our little wreath from Dollar Tree and we're going to take those wires and wrap it around our little wreath. Go to the back, give those wires a few twists. Now you can cut off the wires now if you want to and fold them down. I did add a second wire at the top. That way my swag would stay in place and would not move. So I have 2 wires holding it on the little wreath, and then I just clipped on the little sunflower. Make sure you go back and fluff your flowers, kind of bend your stems, shape your flowers. Make sure your tails on your bow are going forward. Fluff the loops. Then for the center of the bow, I had this cute little glitter acorn, so I just hot glued it to the center of my bow. Just be very careful when you're using your hot glue. So this is how it looks laying on the table. If you didn't know, would you guess that this cost me less than $10 to make from Dollar Tree? Just remember, these are so simple to make. You can make these for any season or holiday. And then this one also matches the Yardstick door swag that I made last week. And then I also made a fall lantern swag. So if you haven't seen those 2 tutorials, I'll link those in the description box just in case you'd like to watch those. And you'll have to let me know, are you enjoying the summer weather? Are you ready for fall weather? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this fall wreath tutorial. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share and leave me a comment. Thank you.